Welcome to the online lecture for Tourism in ASEAN Perspective. Today, we'll be discussing tourism slogan and UNESCO World Heritage Sites. To start, let's have a review of the capital among the ASEAN member states. First, we have Brunei, Bandar Seri Begawan, Cambodia, Phnom Penh, Indonesia, Jakarta, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Myanmar, Nay Pyi Taw, Thailand, Bangkok, Laos, Vientiane, Singapore, Philippines, Manila, and Vietnam, Hanoi. Let us also review the ASEAN hymn.
Association of Southeast Asian Nations is a regional intergovernmental organization comprising 10 countries in Southeast Asia, which promotes intergovernmental cooperation and facilities economic, political, security, military, educational, and social-cultural integration among its members and other countries in Asia. It was established on August 8, 1967 at Bangkok, Thailand, with signing of the founding fathers of the ASEAN, namely Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. The rest of the members joined the organization in the years after. The ASEAN flag is a symbol of member states' unity and support for the principles and endeavors of ASEAN, and is a means to promote greater ASEAN awareness and solidarity. The ASEAN flag represents a stable, peaceful, united, and dynamic ASEAN. The ASEAN anthem is an expression of the ASEAN unity. It also strengthens the sense of ASEAN identity and belonging among the peoples of the region. The ASEAN Wave was written by Nicanor Chongsen, and the music was composed by Ryan Cayabyab. The ASEAN is also making its way towards partnership with Japan, Korea, and China, termed as the ASEAN Plus 3. In addition, the ASEAN 3 pillars are the ASEAN Political Security Community, the ASEAN Social Cultural Community, and the ASEAN Economic Community. Triumph comes through unity and solidarity. One vision, one identity, one community.
To continue, so let's discuss the tourism slogan among the ASEAN member states. Wonderful Indonesia, the green heart of Borneo for Brunei Darussalam, mystical Myanmar, your Singapore, Laos, simply beautiful, amazing Thailand, it's more fun in the Philippines, Malaysia, truly Asia, Cambodia, kingdom of wonder, Vietnam, timeless charm. For the UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the UNESCO has listed more than 1,000 historical and natural sites in the world. Southeast Asia is a culturally rich and diverse region, counting numerous sites classified by the UNESCO World Heritage of Humanity. Southeast Asia is a home to 37 wonderful sites that stand out for their natural or cultural value.